Slogan sabo madam, slogan sethu ma-low field workers sithi don't promise commit. So kulo ukuthi don't promise commit, as promise every Saturday ukuthi le Saturday ngiyenda, le Saturday ngiyenda, we pitch every Saturday. Lenguthandzayo nge-low field workers i-consistency. Every Saturday basisemgwaqweni siyawalka. Lenguthandzayo nge-low field workers human relations, we have made friends, sihlangene nebangani kunebantu labane soul lehle kakhulu, umphefumulo wabo muhle kakhulu, they are very open and cheerful. Ku-low field workers ngibuya ngifunze something. Sometimes cancer awareness, ngiyafunza nge-cancer. Sometimes gender based violence, ngiyafunza nge-gender based. All those things siyafunza, and masifunze mangifunzile ngale whether le information lengitholile, I have to apply it to myself. If possible, I also share it endlini, ngiyabasharela le information. Yes, that's it.
Yeah. Sanibonani bavukela emakhaya, lelo khuluma ngomDefni #Defuni silana ku-low field workers eCasterbridge. So namuhla ngiphathele umnye ibhuti wami esimthanza the one and only Gaddafi. So hlalani nithi nene ngathi ngayinzawo nganyakade nime nirova ngisikhamba njani nge-low field workers asishoneni khona.
Miracles when you move, such an easy thing for you to do. Your hand is moving right now. You are still showing up at the tomb of every Lazarus. Your voice is calling me out.
Hey guys, njengoba bengishilo ngimlandzile futhi Gaddafi ulakithi. Sawubona futhi Gaddafi.
Kanjani? 100.
Ngiyabona kusuku right kumjojo.
All is well.
Okay futhi Gaddafi, njengoba namhla sikhona lana bengicela ukuthi chaze wena utshele ama-low field workers ukuthi wena nguwebani, kwentekani ngawo, sikhiphani ngawo, who are you, who is Gaddafi?
Alright, sanibonani mndeni wamashaba, ma-low field workers, ngiGaddafi lokhulumako, ngimisikhumbuzo ngwakamahlalela Sibongo, remember le ma-low field workers since 2018, solo sidla amakhilomitha siyayincenga la mgwaqweni ngimloyo.
Nimvile ke futhi Gaddafi ke selo uyayincenga. So futhi Gaddafi bengicela ungitshele kabantu ukuthi kahle uvephi nge-low field workers, uvephi?
Alright, low field workers ngive ngayo 2018 ku first walk yabo uma basuka eNelspruit beta eMatsulu ngetinyawo. It was February. Ngayithola lapho via social media kanti nami solo ngifuna exercising team lengaba khona. Then ngalo it was February ngazama kwenda ama contacts, kwenda ama research, sigcino ngabathola ngo-March 2018 ngoba i-first walk yami yekucala. Ngayithola njalo, ngabathola ku-social media kuyi-Facebook.
So uyabona ke guys ukuthi na social media sikhona everywhere, mawusifuna uyasithola, bangabe uyasinabela ukhona awukhona ukuthi uhlangane nemuntu uyasithola ku social media sikhona bonke, Facebook, WhatsApp, everywhere kanjani. So futhi Gaddafi ase usitshele kabantu ukuthi yini kahle lo uyithanza nge-low field workers, yini le into ukuthi uhlale ugcine se utibona nawe sowuhlela ukuthi la angiyinzawo.
No, longuthandzayo nge-low field workers slogan sabo madam, slogan sethu ma-low field workers sithi don't promise commit. So kulo ukuthi don't promise commit, as promise every Saturday ukuthi le Saturday ngiyenda, le Saturday ngiyenda, we pitch every Saturday. Lenguthandzayo nge-low field workers i-consistency, every Saturday basisemgwaqweni siyawoka. Le nkuthandayo nge-low feld workers, human relations, we have made friends, sihlangene nebangani, kunebantu labane soul lehle kakhulu, umphefumulo wabo muhle kakhulu, they are very open and cheerful, so we are able to build a friendship nema-low feld workers. Indeed, ngihlangene nebangani labaningi kakhulu kuma-low feld workers njengoba siyi-family sonke.
Awu, family yakho Katafi.
Your case, Low Feld Mashaba.
Nguye lo.
Uni host. Into macelele cover. Untele nje uthi governance macelele. Governance uba spiritually journey.
Cabanga. I-governance spiritually.
Bakasifundisa. C5. Yeah, Islam, Christian, Buddhism. Hey, namuhla ngifundile ngizathi nale yabo gogo.
Yo guys, siqhubeka Low Feld Mashaba.
Yeah, ngimashaba.
Vele ungangenakala kubanga kubangiloko mphathethu nayo ifana nathi. Okay, siyaqhubeka shebhuti Katafi, siyabonga. So ngifuna ungitshele kabantu ukuthi kuwo onke lama-walk lesokha kuwo yiphi lo yithandzako kuwo onke and why uyithanzi?
Lengiyithandzako as i-location kumbe
Le kuwo onke la ngesema-health all that, wena uthandza yiphi like?
no, onke lama-walk ngiyawathanza. Onke lama-walk ngiyawathanza because awathashi mina ngedwana, sithasha wonke lo muntu, siba nema-awareness lahlukahlukene, and kulama-awareness lawo asend ama-awareness to educate abantu labangaphandle kuphela. Even nami ngiyakhona kufunza each and every Saturday ku-Low Feld Workers, ngibuya ngifunze something. Sometimes cancer awareness, ngiyafunza nge-cancer. Sometimes gender based violence, ngiyafunza nge-gender based. All those things siyafunza, and mangifunzile ngale whether le information lengiyitholile, I have to apply it to myself. If possible, I also share it endlini, ngiyabasharela le information. Yes, that's it.
Yeah, so niyabona ke ukuthi kwa-Low Feld Workers sinayo everything. Uyeta wena utanathi uwamndeni, simndeni siniko konke. So futhi Katafi, njengoba bakubukela laphaya lolu hlelo ekhaya, futhi tshele ukuthi eish mina ngiyafuna kuya mara ngathi ngoyenda njani and all that, ungamtshelani nge-Low Feld Workers?
I-Low Feld Workers is a fitness group, and asikukaleli ukuthi hamba 21 kilometers, asikukaleli ukuthi hamba how many kilometers, as long as wena ukhona bit by bit mafutha ayadleka emtimbeni. Mangabe usahleli ekhaya ifuna i-fitness groups khona sima-Low Feld Workers, ungeta kithi every Saturday. Asiregister ngemali, akunamali kuma-Low Feld Workers, net wena uda nge-transport yakho from your location la uhlala khona, you move nathi sita kulenye i-location, net utibhadalela i-transport, ufika uthola i-Low Feld Workers iku-organizele imandi, iku-organizele ama-fruits, iku-organizele ama-juice, tonke letinto leto utithola tikhona. They are attracting you to exercise in order for you to benefit. Wow. Wow.
Yeah, njengoba sekashele futhi Katafi ke i-Low Feld Workers it's all about healthy lifestyle. Uyeta free of charge, qamuka la uqhamuka khona uyeta, asibhadalisi, asifuni mali yakho, nedi uyahamba kukuwe ukuthi uhamba how many kilometers, is up to you. Mafuna kusuka la uyofika eHazyview uyabuya, it's up to you as long as wena uwokile. So i-Low Feld Workers is all about that. So futhi Katafi sibonga kakhulu kuba nawe, ngiyajabula kakhulu ukuthi at least namuhla uzamile ukukhuluma nalabanye wabagqugqutela, wabatshela ukuthi i-Low Feld Workers yinto lenjani and all that. So guys, siyabonga kakhulu. Next week futhi sizophinda sihlangane futhi sibe khona ku-Low Feld Workers.
Ngiyabonga manje mangishuthe sona ngifake e-TV. Ngabuka phela. Hawu. Ngiyabonga guys, don't promise.
Hashtag Mind, Body and Soul. This is Lawfelt Workers Podcast, and this is Daphne Tetla signing out. Now, we'll be seeing you soon this coming Saturday at Gamagugu. It is the 4th Health Awareness Walk, and Lawfelt Workers is challenging men to shave clean from the 1st to the 3rd of November. I hope Seni Shefile Lapo. Then we start growing the mustaches for the whole month. Now, also, you need to commit to walk 60 kilometers in this very month of November. Now, remember, the aerobics are starting 5:20, and the walk is officially starting at 5:30. Mina nani asidibane khona madoda phumani ngetinkani nenze okumele kwenziwe. See you soon.